Analyze user interface on desktop and mobile, with heat maps and explore mode. Open the website in the preview mode. Click the heat map button located in the Use It Better console. The loaded heat map will match your screen width. Follow the hot spots to understand the user's actions. Open the menu to see which links they clicked. Visit other pages to see what they did next. Click the button again to close the desktop heat map. Open the browser's responsive mode to view the mobile heat map. Expand the device list and choose a preferred mobile device. Click the heat map button. If you can't see it, slide the console to the left. This heat map shows data from any device with a 360-pixel screen resolution. Switch between different heat map types. Moves heat map shows where people moved their mouse or finger. The exposure heat map shows which parts of the page users spent time on, and which parts they skipped. Use Explore to aggregate all the data, regardless of screen resolution. Bubbles displayed next to the UI elements show the share of visits with the element clicked. Hover over a bubble for more details. Switch to the revenue to learn the impact of each element on the page on your sales.